Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make avocado hair mask for hair growth that is going to grow your hair very crazy and amazing. Okay, it's going to grow your hair like crazy. So these are all the products I'll be using: coconut oil, 100% avocado, and I'll be using one egg. Okay, so you can adjust the quantity of all these ingredients according to your hair, how full or how long your hair is. Okay, so right now what I'll do next is I'm going to like peel off the avocado the way you're seeing me doing the video, and I'll pour it in my blender and I'll go right ahead to blend it. If you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. My name is Rachel. I make hair growth videos. Use anything, simple ingredients, like you can find them easily in your kitchen, okay, to help you grow your hair. Okay, yes, let's do this together. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you ever tried avocado as an hair mask? Have you ever used this before? Because my hair loves avocado so much. Okay, avocado is so amazing when it comes to hair growth, and my hair loves it a lot.
That's where you wanna be, where you wanna be. So what you waiting for? So wait till you there, wait to subscribe. I beg you, make it always time. I bring it to your notice. No go down, I don't know, I look up inside Italy city. No go down, I don't know, I look up. Say Rachel style. YouTube make you go subscribe, yo. Give me the block for you. Say what you waiting for? Rachel style. So Rachel style for Rachel style. You know what's up? You get the style, you know. Rachel style.
So right now I'm going to be going in with my pure coconut oil. This coconut scent so amazing. The oil is so amazing. This is pure 100% because as I'm smelling it like so, you don't want to know what smell is going. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. It's so amazing. I love the smell a lot. So right now I'll go ahead and blend it. Just take a look at what I'll be doing. Okay, I found out that as I was about to blend it, or as I started blending it, I found out that it couldn't blend very well, so I added oil. All right, and I blended it again, after which I found out that I needed to blend it very smooth, so I had to go in with water also, because I want my blender to blend this thing very well. Okay, and I'm going to be telling you why I want to blend it very smooth. Okay. So guys, here I found out that I have a very smooth paste. You can see that for yourself, so I don't need to sieve it out, okay, to get any lumps, because it is very smooth. That is why I added more oil, and I also added water while I was blending it. Take a look at that. Isn't it amazing? So right now I'm going to go ahead to use this for my hair. Watch to the end to see how I apply this on my hair and how it helps to define my curls, and how amazing this avocado hair mask is. Let me tell you some of the benefits of avocado for hair growth. Okay, avocado helps to improve or fight against dandruff. It protects your hair, it aids hair growth, it enhances your scalp health, it helps to moisturize your hair, it boosts hair shine, it detangles the hair, it promotes hair growth, it strengthens the hair. Avocado protects hair, nourishes and strengthens hair. As a hair mask, it is also amazing. Avocado is also an heat protectant. Wow, this is so amazing to know that avocado is an heat protectant. It protects your hair from sun damage. Oh my goodness, take a look at all the amazing benefits that avocado has. Okay, let me know again in the comment section. Do you also know that avocado helps to fight or protect your hair against sun heat? Have you ever heard about this anywhere? Let me know in the comment section. Take a look at my coils, how defined it is. Oh my goodness. Yeah, if you're watching up to this point and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is absolutely free. Do well to press that subscription button, put it into all, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and help me to share. So I thought it was too much. I had to leave that one, but I later found out that that one wasn't enough for my hair, so I went to take the remaining of the avocado that I left, okay, and I'm going to be using everything, I mean everything, for my hair. That was what I was saying here. So right now, this is the remaining part, okay, that I kept before, so I'm going to be using it to apply to the other part of my hair. All right, and yeah, just don't forget to subscribe if you're not done so already, and give the video a thumbs up, and make sure to watch till the end.
Subscribe. I beg you, make it always time. I bring it to your notice. No good down, no good down. I lost no, I look up inside Italy City. No good down, no good down. I lost no, I look up. Say, Rachel style. You to make you go subscribe, yo. Give me the block for you. Say what you waiting for. Rachel style. Rachel style, you know what's up, you get the style, you know. Rachel style, Rachel style. Rachel style, yeah, yeah, Rachel style, you got to know.
It's on the beat, baby.
Rachel style, yeah, yeah, na na na.
Plastic bag to just tie my hair or cover my hair, like so. Just to trap the heat.
Rachel style. Yeah, yeah, Rachel style. You got to know.
It's on the beat, baby.
Rachel style. Yeah, yeah, na 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 na. Rachel style. Are you in for? When you are you with someone say Rachel style? Hold on.
Okay, I will leave this for 30 to 40 minutes, then I'll wash it out. Yeah, thank you so much if you watched up to this point. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Help me to share. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.